Sup guys, over here. Today we're going to be talking about Zora and what steps can we take to be eligible for potential airdrop in the future if that will happen. As usual, all links are in description, but follow them at your own risk. Also, as a disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice and there is no guarantee of the airdrop, obviously. That being said though, I think here the probability of the airdrop is quite high. This project raised a lot of funding, in total 60 million at 600 million valuation. For an NFT platform, that's a lot of funding. For example, if we take Blur only raised, I believe, around 11 mil. And on top of that, Zora also has its own chain that, in my opinion, increases the probability of the token. Alright, so what we can do with this project? First of all, we'll need to bridge some ETH from Ethereum mainnet via the main bridge to Zora network. That serves two purposes. First, the actual bridging transaction to Zora network, and second, you're gonna have some ETH on Zora and you'll be able to mint some NFTs there. Usually you don't have to add Zora network to a MetaMask from the chain list, for example, because when you go to the bridge, it usually will suggest you to add the network. However, if that didn't happen, you can still go to chain list, input Zora here, and here you're gonna have this Zora network that you can add to your MetaMask. Now, for some reason, access from specific countries has been disabled, and so if you cannot connect to the network or if it's like lagging heavily, use the VPN, because there are issues when you're trying to connect from certain places. Next, you just input the amount here that you want to bridge and you bridge it. Obviously here, if you want to minimize the gas on Ethereum, wait for the lower gas. Check the gas. Like yesterday I bridged here, gas was at 14 GVA and I paid 1.8 USD. So do this bridging when the gas is low if you don't want to overpay for Ethereum gas fee. Regarding the amount here, usually the more the better, but I would basically split bridging here into two segments. Segment number one, you bridge a little bit of ETH for the sole purpose of dispersing that into Zora minting fee. Like, you're not gonna bridge back. That's what I'm doing personally, for now at least. And the second option would be bridging higher sum of ETH here and then withdrawing. You can withdraw on this bridge. However, keep in mind that it's gonna take around 7 days to get your ETH back on Ethereum mainnet. The next step is obviously mint some NFTs through the Zora platform. Here it's completely up to you what you want to mint. Obviously, if you're just doing that for the purpose of getting more transactions on Zora, you can just find the free NFTs and mint those. There are some filters here, for example, commemorative, art, video, music, podcast, so you can find some NFTs here to mint. Obviously, it's better when you mint in the NFT that not only getting you the transaction on Zora, but actually some additional incentives from the author or the company behind that NFT. That's like an ideal case, obviously. Also pay attention to the chain you are minting that on. Also, one important thing regarding transactions on Zora. If we open any Zora mint, for example, I'll do this one. First of all, minting fee is pretty much standard. This is around 1.5 USD per mint. Basically, there's no escaping that. These are platform fees. We can only hope that we're gonna be reimbursed in the future. Now, regarding gas fees on Zora, and pay attention here because this is very important. As you can see right away, for this transaction, market shows 45 cents. However, currently it's possible to reduce gas fees to practically zero. For this, you just go to a MetaMask, you go to advanced, and you put some low amount, like, for example, 0.005. It worked for me last time. You can completely disregard this warning in red. Just click save. Now I'll confirm. And we're gonna see that transaction goes through. It's confirmed. So currently you can use that to pay zero gas fees on Zora pretty much. You're still gonna pay platform fee obviously, but at least you're not paying any gas fees. Depending on when you watch this video, it may or may not work because probably something's gonna change in the future. Also, I wanna show you one NFT collection that for some reason you don't have to pay platform fees on it. And you can do several mints here and get very cheap mints in your bag on Zora. This works even if you don't have the Mint.fun pass. You can mint the pass if you want, or you can just skip this, doesn't matter. It's completely up to you, because I personally don't think they're gonna do like any significant drop or rewards distribution on August 18th. I'm talking about this platform, Mint.fun. I already briefly touched on it. We have the end of the season. There's probably gonna be rewards just for like the top of the leaderboard, and we don't know what these are. So I wouldn't go too ham and like participating here, minting the pass, especially with high gas. And if you're not familiar with the Mint.fun at all, this is basically the platform that allows you to mint NFTs from different platforms, one of which is Zora. So basically, when you minting here, you minting on Zora, but via this platform, and you're still getting Zora transactions. So for this collection, you can mint 3 for free. And on top of that, you're getting 30 fun drop points. We're gonna decrease the gas again. Boom, and we got absolutely free mint. And you can basically do it over and over again until you reach the minting cap for the collection. Also, it's unclear for how long this collection is gonna be available, because this is clearly somehow bypassing the platform fee structure. Because usually, and let me show you, if you go to the Mint.fun main page, you select Zora here, and the majority of NFTs have the fee that Zora places there. And even for some NFTs, when it says free, like for example here, Tabby Treasure Chest, it says free, but when we click Mint Now, you can see that you still have to pay Zora platform fee for every NFT you mint. Apart from this collection, and I also now see this collection as well, that works in the same way, a Great Day collection. I will link both of these. Let's try to mint one here. Yeah, as you can see, there is only a gas that you again can lower to practically zero. But again, we don't know for how long that's gonna work. Now that's minting. There is one more step that I suggest doing, that's creating your own collection on Zora. In order to create one, you just click on this new button, then choose edition RC721. This is pretty standard. Also, you need to upload the media here. Doesn't have to be the picture, can be video, HTML, PDF, or any kind of image, up to a maximum size of 2 GB. I'll just do my picture here, then you specify the name, the symbol, can be anything pretty much. Then price, I recommend setting up 0, obviously. Then edition size, I recommend just having open. This is basically means unlimited. Mint start now, then mint duration you can choose forever, so it doesn't expire. Mint limit per address, again unlimited. Network is gonna be Zora. If you want to go ham on this task, you can deploy on multiple chains, obviously. And then royalties, you can just leave 5%, doesn't matter. Then you click create. Okay, description is required. Okay, then we create, and there's gonna be gas fees, and again don't forget to change that. See how much we actually have to pay. Just 1 cent. Then it's gonna take some time to set up your minting page, and that's gonna be it basically. So these are the main steps for Zora. Don't forget to mint from time to time. Again, you can do it via Mint.fun, you can do it on Zora itself. The only issue for me with the application itself, filters kinda meh. Like they need more filters to sort through the collections. Because it may look fine if you're just browsing, like it's pretty, clean, but if you need to find something, yeah, good luck with that. So that's all I wanted to cover here. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to drop them below. If you found video helpful, please like and subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time.